Hi everyone. So let's talk about what rough draft math is and what it's going to look like in our classroom, how it's going to affect how we learn math in Mrs. Ligon's class. So what do you think of when you hear the words rough draft? You're probably thinking about English class, writing a paper. You write your rough draft, the teacher looks over it, you make corrections. Maybe you've used it in social studies. We're going to use that same idea here in math class, where you're going to be sharing your incomplete thoughts. So rough draft math is imperfect, but precise. You want to say exactly what you're talking about. It's unfinished and unsure. You can share stuff with me before you're 100% positive. And it involves revisiting and revising. We want to revise our ideas. As we learn information, we want to add to our initial drafts to make them more complete. Learning math is a process of constantly extending, connecting, and adjusting thinking. Nobody is an expert on mathematics. I'm not an expert. I can still always learn something new. Even the smartest mathematicians in the world are always learning new things and adjusting their thinking as they learn something new. And that's something that I want you guys to do. So we're going to use something called productive lingering. Fast is not always best in mathematics. Just because someone gets an answer before you do doesn't mean they're smarter than you are. Your pace is the correct pace in my class. A slower pace can bring more pleasure, insight, and connections. If we're rushing, we can't have fun with the math. We can't make those extra connections. There are no shortcuts to developing our understanding. So if I'm ever going too fast, please tell me. We need to go at the pace so you guys can understand. And we're going to share our drafts. We're going to share our unfinished thinking. Sharing our drafts can help the understanding of everyone in our class. So when you share what you're thinking, you're going to help everyone in the class learn. And we're going to work together on that this year. All right, so here are some slogans that we're going to use in our classroom. First one, be confused. It's where you begin to learn new things. Being confused is good. Be broken. It's where you begin to heal. You don't have to be perfect. It's okay. Be frustrated. It's where you start to make more authentic decisions. Frustration is a good tool to learn more things. Be sad, because if we are brave enough, we can hear what our heart's telling us. And be whatever you are right now. No more hiding. You are worthy always. Always. I'm going to repeat that. So our classroom norms, everybody is doing this for the first time. So if someone is brave enough to share their answer, we'll be kind and we'll listen to them. Don't interrupt your classmates. And being brave means trying a problem we initially think is scary. Be brave enough to try every problem. Just try, put something down on paper. That'll be the way that you learn something new. So I have some promises for you as my class. My classroom is a place where my students can be fully themselves and their dignity is honored. I like you guys for who you are. I'm not going to make you be someone different. I think every student is a capable learner and doer of mathematics. You can all do this. Your thoughts and actions and contribution toward the ongoing learning and sense-making for yourself, your peers, and me, your teacher. Your contributions help us all learn. And all different ways of thinking and doing mathematics are welcomed and appreciated in my class.